This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the lesson Program Design Process. Let's see what we're doing. Designing the windscreen. The final screen in the program shows you one. It's totally blank right now. Do this, switch to the win, and design it based on the project guide, which is that worksheet we did, planning out all of this. So here's how I switch. I click up here to win. Make sure to pay close attention to the ID of each element. Yes, because we use those IDs. Once you've added the required elements, feel free to add any other design tweaks you'd like. Awesome. So, we first need that area we display the winner's name. So I'm going to use the label here and write, winner for the label. I guess that makes sense. And then for the text, winner? Sure. And this is going to be changed by a set property. It will be changed to the player who actually wins. So let's leave it like this. Oh, what size? That looks good to me. I'm actually going to make it cover the entire screen. Oops. Because that way I can make it perfectly centered. All right. And now I want to add another label, except this label is going to be winner. Oh, I just wrote wins. Okay, so this is the wins label, I'll say. And then I'm going to do mine in caps. Wins with an exclamation point. And then let's make this even bigger. So let's do, I don't know, 68. Now I want even bigger. Let's make we're excited. They just won. 86 it is. Winner wins. Where's my, oh. There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make this stretch all the way across. And that way I can center it. Oops. And then we need a button for them to play again. We'll say, oops, need to take off caps. I'll say play again button, and then what the text will say is play again. Okay. And now let's do, I don't know, 48. Oops. Well, I could make this bigger. Let's do 36. That looks good. And the color, I'm going to maybe take it over here. Oh, and now I want to actually, now that we have all that's required, I want to add a bit of a picture. So I'm going to pull on this and drop in an image, choose from one of theirs, icons, and that's it, trophy. And I'm going to have that trophy be this color. But awesome. So that is my windscreen. Ooh, if I want, I'm going to do this. Oop, that's way too much. It just makes it have rounded corners. Cool. Awesome. Well, I like it. Let's keep going.